మిత్రులారా, బంధువులారా, మిత్రునాం స్వాగతం. వెల్కమ్ టు South Asia Maps, your education channel. This is your presenter, Dr. J. Reddy, J. Tirupati Reddy. Mitrunam, we are continuing our Karnataka series, part 24. In this part, we will be exploring further a physiographic region called Karavali region, Kanara region, Kanara coastal region, two Karwar districts or Kanara district adjoining the seaboard of Sindhu Mahasagar, Arabisagar, Sindhu Mahasagar. After this presentation, you will get a very good clarity of the region. And Mitranam, this is our Karnataka series, and we are in this particular part, Karavali coastal region, Karnataka region. Previously, if you are not aware, this is the YouTube channel South Asia Maps JRD. There are more than 600 and nearly 50 or so presentations immaculately made for your intellectual sojourn and enjoyment. And each of these or playlist contains 5, 10, 15, 20 or so unique presentations. All you can explore at South Asia Maps JRD YouTube channel. Long back in the beginning, I have delineated broader round about 15 physiographic regions, geographic regions of Karnataka. You have to keep this overall in picture, and we are talking about the 14th part, that is the Karavali coast to Kanara coast here, adjoining the Sindhu Mahasagar Ocean. This is the administrative political geography where you will see the districts, taluks, sub-districts, taluks, tehsils, only essentially two-dimensional, whereas the same map is the physical geography called physiography. This will give you a broader, deeper understanding of the terrain, the land with respect to physical features, the coastal areas, the rivers, water bodies, mountains, plains, ghats, peneplains, etc. Whereas you won't find it in the political admin geography. You can see the fascinating Karavali region, Kanara region here, Sahyadri Mountains, that is the Western Ghats here, Baba Budan Hills, Mulayangiri and Kudremukha and Sandur Hills and Koppat Hills near Gadagu. So all these things you can very clearly see. Kolar Bangalore Plateau, Biligiri Rangan Mountains and so on. I will go over briefly this area and we'll look at the different maps. You will get a clarity after that. To orient you further, I have jotted here prominent rivers in the Karavali coast. So I have mentioned here some of the prominent urban centers and towns and the river here. Take for example, just I will read over Sadashiv Nagar in the Gomantak, Goa region used to be for 500 years the Portuguese Imperium, Catholic imperialism in South Asia. Sadashiv Nagar and Karwar, that is in the Kunda, Kalindi river. Kadalu Nadi or Kalindi river. That's the one, Kalindi river. Next is the Gokarna town pilgrimage center and the Gangavali river, that is also called Beda river. G and G you can very easily remember. Kalindi river, Karwar you can remember. Gangavali, Gokarna, Kalindi here. Further south, the famous Sharavati river, or sometimes called Swarna river, Sharavati dam, Jersoppa falls and Telguppa falls and all those things here. That is the Sharavati river. Kundapur or Kundapur at the junction of Chakra Nadi and Haladi Nadi. Kundapur, Chakra Nadi, Haladi Nadi. There is one more river called Swarna River, that is the goes through towns called Malpe on the coast, Manipal, Karkal. L is missing. Yes, Swarna. Sometimes Sharavati is also called Swarna Nadi, so you have to keep that in mind. Of course, the Mangalore town is on the Netravati river, and in the Tulunadu, southern part, even though in the Kerala, just I have historically that was the part of Kannada district, so I put it here. Manjeshwar River and Chandragiri River here. That is in the Kasargod Hosdurga area, that is called Tulunadu. Tulunadu is the Udupi area, Mangaluru area, and Kasargod area. Used to be historically part of South Kannada district of Madras Presidency. So the prominent historical factors here, Vijayanagara kings ruled there in the Hampi Vijayanagaram, and Bednuru Nayaks controlled this area. Nayaks of Bednuru or Ikeri or Kaladi. After Talikota battle 1565, Nayaks became independent. When Mysore Wadayar throne was usurped by the Hyder Ali, Dalawai, that is the commander, he invaded this region and annexed it, overthrowing the Nayaks. That means this Kannada region became part of enlarged Mysore kingdom. Titular Wadayari ruler, but de facto ruler was Hyder Ali, later his son Tipu. And there were 4 wars fought between the Mysore and British Anglo-Mysore War. First 2 wars were neither party won decisively. Third war, 1792, Tipu lost, and Tipu gave the Malabar region, Kannada region, Malabar region. In the final war, 1799, Tipu was killed. The Wadayar young king Immidi Krishnaraja Wadayar, around about 4 or 5 years old, restored to the throne. He signed a treaty called Treaty of Mysore because his palace was in Mysore, Treaty of Mysore. He gave the Kanaras to British East India Company. At that time, British East India Company attached to Madras Presidency. They were ruled independently, later attached to the Bombay Presidency, later moved to Madras Presidency. I will go over that. In 1862, after Sipai meeting, North Kannada district was separated, attached to the Bombay Presidency. So Bombay Presidency has a North Kannada, Dharwad, Bijapur, Belgaum, that is the Carnatic division of the Bombay Presidency. There is a South Kannada, including the Kasargod Taluk region of today's Kerala, was a part of Dakshin Kannada, part of Madras Presidency. We will go over these taluks here, the twin Kannada districts, Karwar region, Ankola, Kumta, Hanover, Bhatkal, Kundapura, Udupi, Mangaluru, Kasargod, Tulunadu, and I will show you the actual map. You can find it there. So this is the Kerala. Kannur was the Tulunadu. It was a part of South Kannada. These are the 2 Kannada districts, Uttar Kannada, UK, Dakshin Kannada. Uttar Kannada, Dakshin Kannada. So spelled differently, Kannad, Kannada, like that. So south of Gomantak region, north of Kannur district or Kannur district. That is Kasargod district here. It's a old district. So this region. What are the some of the taluks of this? So almost this entire, this is the Gomantak, Goa. Western seaboard is the Kanaras, whereas Uttar Kannada, eastern part is predominantly mountainous Western Ghats called Malnadu region. That is the Supa, Haliyal, Yellapur, Mundugod, Sirsi, Siddhapur we looked before. The Kannadas are very narrow here coast. There is the Karwar, Ankola, Kumta, Hanover, Bhatkal. Karwar is where Kalindi river, Ankola, Gokarna will be here, where the Gangavali river comes. So, whereas the southern Kannada has a more the plain area because Netravati reduces, erodes the Western Ghats heavily. So, Netravati basin. That is the Kundapura and Udupi, Karakkal and Mangaluru Bantwal, Puttur, Sulya, Beltangadi. This is the Kasargod and Hosdurg, that is the Tulunadu area. This entire area, Tulunadu. So almost this entire area is South Kannada, is Karavali coast. Only coastal district of North Kannada are in the Karavali coast. We can see that very clearly. Here you have to again remember certain landmarks. Goa here, this is the Kali Nadi, that is the Karwar, Kalindi, this is the Gangavali river, that is the Gokarna here. So this is the Sharavati, Hanover town will be here. So you see the coastal area is very narrow in the northern part. This is the Netravati valley. You can see the broader plains. This is the Netravati river. So this is the Brahmagiri mountain range of Kodagu region. So Chandragiri river, Payaswini river will have here, and Kasargodu Hosdurga will be there. This is the Krishnaraja Sagar reservoir, Goru reservoir, and Hemavati Yagachi, Kudremukha and Baba Budangiri hills you can see clearly there. Yeah, we are looking at the same thing. We have to remember this is the Mangalore. That means this is the Netravati river. This is the Madikera, this is the Brahmagiri mountain ranges, the spurs. Kasargod here, Chandragiri river, Payaswini river here. So this is the Goru reservoir, this is the Krishnaraja Sagar reservoir, this is the Kudremukha, this is the Baba Budangiri, and this is the Bhadra reservoir. And you can see the Sharavati reservoir there. Mangaluru, this may be Udupi, this is the Bhatkal, I guess, and this is the Karwa, that is the Kalindi river. This is the Gokarna will be there in the Gangavali river. Hanover will be there. Jersappa Falls, this is the Sharavati river. Southern part is has a broader plains because Netravati basin. You can see here, this is the Kannur Izamalai. The historic districts is North Kannada was part of Bombay Presidency, South Kannada was a part of Madras Presidency, Coorg Princely State, or later became the Sea State, means it a sort independent province in the British India. So the Mahi enclave within the Kannada, Malabar district, that is the exclave of Pondicherry here. Southern part is the Kasargod Taluk. The historic Wadayari Kingdom, Nagara and Hastagram, that is the Shikarpura, Chitradurga, Tumkuru, Bangalore, Kolar there, Sharavati. So we are looking, this is the pre-Radcliffe times, almost Shimoga, Kaduru, Chikmagaluru, Hassan, Mandya. We are concerned about South Kannada here. Malabar district, North Kannada. You can see the North Kannada district. Gokarna is Gomantak, North Kannada, Dharwad, Belgavi, Bijapur were the Carnatic political division of Bombay Presidency. This is the Madras Presidency. So Netravati river cuts in the Mangaluru, Manjeshwara. This is the Chandragiri river. Manjeshwar river, Chandragiri, Payaswini, Kupam rivers here. Kasargod will be somewhere here. Kasargod, Tulunadu, Sukratal, Udupi area, and Kundapura. That is Haladi, that river. And we have Sharavati river, Hanover, Jersappa, Telgupa, and Gokarna, Gangavali river. This is the Beda river or Kalindi river, Karwar in the Gomantak region, Sadashivan-nagar. And if you are there are also, I put other related provincial series, the old historic Baramal district, that is the Salem district, undivided district. You can see the East Punjab, Purbi Punjab series. You can see the Pashchim Punjab, West Punjab series. You can see the British Punjab series. You can see the Four Punjab series and Punjab History series, Punjab Geography, General Geography series, and Haryana series, Uttaranchal Devabhumi series and Himachal series, Maharashtra series, Karnataka series. That's what we are looking today. Rayalaseema seeded district Andhra Pradesh series, Tamil Nadu series, Tamil Nadu, Kerala series, Maharashtra series, Bengal Presidency, United Provinces, that is Uttar Pradesh series, and so on. All of them you can find at the YouTube channel J Reddy. Hope this will put you in the proper perspective, Mitrona. Next presentation, we'll see the adjoining region, that is the Wayanadu Plateau, Nilgiris. Even though they are not part of Karnataka, they played a very important role in molding the history, providing the catchment, providing the passes for the invasions and so on, the wars. That part I will cover so that the entire picture you will get it. That will be in the 24th part. Thank you very much joining me today. Your presenter, Dr. J. Reddy, South Asia Maps. If you like the presentations and you think they are valuable to you, you can post your comments and suggestions and also subscribe the channel, bring it to the notice of your friends. See you later in another presentation.